Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are also testing this out again, just to show you guys some other things that you can do with it. So we're going to be working on fixing this USB charger phone device that we have. So we're taking it apart, showing the toolkit again. It comes in very handy for a lot of stuff. This is one of my favorite toolkits. Again, we've already reviewed this toolkit. This is just an updated video showing you guys it in action and how it works. And I love it. I use it. I keep it here on my review table for fixing a lot of different stuff. And you get all these different tools for opening and popping stuff up. So this tool is great for getting under in the cracks here. There we go. There we go. Again, I absolutely love this tool kit. I mean, it's amazing. This whole kit has everything you could possibly need or want. I mean, absolutely everything. So we gotta save these here. All right, so we got that off. And here we got the coils. So let's go ahead. And, if you don't have the right size for something, you just simply go ahead, pop this open, and find the right size for whatever you need. I mean, guys, this is awesome. So this is just an updated video. I know it's boring. I'm just taking stuff apart to fix this. Got to do some resoldering, it looks like, and the connections. But yeah, guys, this works great. I think you're gonna like it a lot. I mean, you can intertwine this. The nice thing about this is you can lock it in place. The handle is really nice on it as well. Like, it gives you guys a lot of good gripping. So that is definitely a plus. All right, let's see here. Oh, let's see. This one's gonna work good for that. All right, so this guy, I mean, I'm telling you guys right now, I use this every day almost. It is so nice. So guys, if you seriously want a nice, I mean, this is good for opening so much stuff, computers, laptops, devices. As you guys just saw, this kit comes with everything you need. It is the best kit I've ever got. So seriously guys, this is something that will come in handy for taking apart virtually everything and anything, small and medium sized. So as we're fixing this, guys, I do want to actually, personally say I do still give this a 5-star rating. After over a week, it's actually probably been 2 weeks or 3 weeks since I've been using this, and I still give this whole kit a 5-star rating. And it makes everything nice, putting everything back in the case. Everything fits right back in as you're done. Just gotta line this up here. Oh, that would be, I put it on wrong. There we go. Slide it back. Guys, I love it.